If your business is taking on a high-value project, the wrong insurance could cost you more than just money. When it comes to protecting your business from claims of negligence or professional errors, having the right insurance isn't just smart, it's essential. But here's something most people don't realize. There's not just one kind of professional indemnity insurance. In this video, we're going to break down the key differences between professional indemnity and single project professional indemnity, or SPPI. And more importantly, help you figure out which one is right for your situation. Stick around, because choosing the wrong policy could leave you and your project completely exposed. Before we dive in, if you're managing the design or running the building of construction projects and want expert guidance on the right insurance structure, check out the link below. At Svalin, our advisors offer free consultations to help you find the best fit coverage with confidence. Professional indemnity, or PI insurance, is designed to protect professionals, think architects, engineers, contractors, from legal claims related to their services. If a client says your work caused them financial loss due to alleged negligence, error, or omission, PI is what stands between you and a massive payout. Here's the thing, PI is usually an annual policy. That means it covers your professional work across multiple projects over a 12-month policy period. It's great for business that handles jobs continuously throughout the year. But what happens when your business works on a project with specific contract insurance terms, especially if the project requests that the PI covers the construction period and maintenance period and 3 or 6 years after that? Or if project requests for special insurance endorsements, that's where SPPI comes in. SPPI is designed to cover just one specific project from start to finish and beyond. To wrap it up, SPPI is built for large, complex, one-off projects with multiple players who need joint protection. Annual PI is better suited for businesses working on multiple projects throughout the year. Choosing the right coverage depends on your risk, team structure, and the specific project itself. Need help choosing between PI and SPPI? Visit the link below to schedule a free consultation with Svalin's experts. We'll walk you through your options and make sure your project is fully protected.